Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Facebook search history. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Facebook. Once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on the search icon in the top right. And here you can see all my searches. Then you need to click on see all. And these are all my searches. So for the first method is to click on the cross icon in the front of person name, so you can see that search is cleared. And if you want to clear all, you simply need to click on clear all on the right top, and then you need to click on clear all. And here you can see that my all searches are deleted. Let me show you again. So here you can see that no search is here. So this is a simple process by which you can delete Facebook search history on Android. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.